Hey, Angus here, and today we're going to review this. This is the Rolling Square InCharge XL, and what it is it's a little cable adapter. Got a little magnet here that clips it together. So we got USB-A to Lightning, but you can pop this off, and then that's the USB-C there, and then you can pop this side off, and that's USB-C there. So you can go USB-C to Lightning, or you can go USB-C to USB-C, or you can go USB-A, oh, there we go, USB-A to USB-C, and the whole thing clicks together and is a nice, neat package. And if you want, you can just open this up, loop that through your keyring, link that together, put the little cap on to keep those connectors nice and clean, and that is a really smart, handy little accessory that you can take about with you. Discount code below in the description box. I think you get 20% off anything off the Rolling Square website, and there's a bunch of stuff like this little charging pod, which is a little charger, and a bunch of other things. Check out my channel for other reviews for some of the Rolling Square stuff. But this is actually super handy to have in your keyrings, because you never know when you need a cable to charge your devices, and having a bunch of multiples on there is actually really cool.